Dear students, once again welcome to this YouTube channel, and I am Khilesh Kumar, Assistant Professor in English, and this is your English literature session. So in this video I teach you the play As You Like It, written by William Shakespeare, and this is the part second. In our first part we have discussed about the brief introduction to the writer William Shakespeare. So now second part. So As You Like It is a pastoral comedy, and in our previous video we have seen the major characteristics of tragedy and comedy, and what are major difference between tragedy and comedy. So As You Like It is a comedy, pastoral comedy. So it invokes laughter to the reader, and the story has a definite moral, definite lesson, and it deals with the light side of life, and at the end of this play we see the happy union of all the couples and all the characters in the play. So now main characters in the play, these are some main characters in the play. First one, the banished duke, the duke, the rightful duke, the real duke. Duke here refers to king of a state. So there is a state and the king, but now the duke is banished. The duke is banished by his younger brother, Duke Frederick, and now Duke Frederick is the king of that state. So in this way we can see the personal characteristics of the banished duke and the Duke Frederick. The banished duke is very kind-hearted and a good person, and Duke Frederick is a very bad person, and he is cheater. He cheated his own brother, the rightful duke. So the rightful duke is living now in forest, and his younger brother is the king of that state. So second one character is Duke Frederick, the brother of the banished duke. Okay, the younger brother of the banished duke. Charles is a wrestler, a champion wrestler, a very dangerous person. So Charles is a wrestler. Orlando we can say hero of this play, and Orlando loves Rosalind. So Rosalind is the heroine of this play. And who is Rosalind? Rosalind is the daughter to the banished duke. So Rosalind is the daughter of the banished duke. And next one, Oliver. So Oliver is the elder brother of Orlando. So Orlando and Oliver are brothers. Okay. And Rosalind and Celia are cousin sister, because Celia is daughter to Frederick, Duke Frederick. So Rosalind is the daughter to the Duke, to the Banished Duke, and Celia is the daughter to the Frederick. But in the play we see Rosalind and Celia are not only good friends, but also, sorry, not only sister, but also very good friends. They always spend their time together, Rosalind and Celia. But Orlando and Oliver don't have any chemistry, because Oliver has a hatred to Orlando. Touchstone, a clown. So these are some major characters in the play. The Banished Duke and his younger brother Duke Frederick, Charles a wrestler, Orlando and Oliver are brothers, and Rosalind, a daughter of Banished Duke, and Celia, daughter of the Frederick, and the Duke Frederick who banished his brother. Okay, so these are the characters, and Rosalind is the heroine of this play. Next, so as you like it, the play starts with a scene in which we come to know that the rightful Duke is banished by his younger brother Duke Frederick. So, my dear students, the rightful Duke, the rightful king is banished, and after banished he is living in forest, and the Duke is banished by his younger brother Duke Frederick, and now Duke Frederick is the king of that state. So the play starts with a scene in which we come to know that the rightful Duke is banished by his younger brother Duke Frederick. Now in the play we see two brothers, Oliver and Orlando. Oliver and Orlando, and their father name is Sir Roland de Boys. Okay, so Oliver has a great hatred for his younger brother Orlando. So Oliver doesn't like Orlando. Because Orlando is brave, intelligent, handsome, and Orlando is a very good person in his character also. So Oliver dislikes his brother Orlando. Their father, Sir Roland de Boys, their father name is Sir Roland de Boys, left money as a will, and Oliver doesn't want to give half money to his younger brother Orlando. So Oliver doesn't want to give money to his younger brother. That is why he wants to get rid of him. Next. So Oliver encourages Orlando to join a wrestling match with champion wrestler Charles. Champion wrestler, very dangerous wrestler Charles. Oliver encourages his own brother Orlando, who is very dangerous man. Wrestler Charles, who is very dangerous man. Oliver incites Charles to break Orlando's neck so that he can get all the money which left by his father, Sir Orlando Boys. So now Oliver wants that his brother Orlando should be killed by the champion wrestler Charles. So he creates a conspiracy regarding that. Next day, when Orlando appears for this match, the Duke asks Orlando not to participate in the match because he is fascinated by him. He is charmed by that young boy Orlando. So the Duke Frederick doesn't want that the person should participate this match. His daughter Celia and his niece Rosalind try to stop him. So the Duke Frederick sends his daughter Celia and his niece to dissuade him, but Orlando participates this match and luckily wins the match. So Oliver creates a conspiracy for his younger brother Orlando, but luckily Orlando wins the match. And at that time, when Celia and Rosalind, the daughter of that rightful Duke, is trying to dissuade him, is trying to stop him to participate that match. At the time when Orlando looks Rosalind, Orlando falls in love with Rosalind at the first sight. So now the love story of Rosalind and Orlando starts. So this is the starting scene of the play. So next or remaining part I will teach you in next video. So thank you so much, and like, share and subscribe, my dear students. So thank you so much.